Hey up folks, Buns here. Quick video for you today, just to show you my new Fibre laser engraving and cutting machine, which I've just purchased, picked up on Friday and installed in the workshop. I'm super chuffed with it. I've been after one of these for a long time, but they've always been a bit on the expensive side. Anyway, I've saved up my shekels and I've just purchased one. So this machine is a fibre laser. That means it'll be able to engrave and cut metal. It's not specifically for cutting metal, but it will cut very thin metal. But it'll engrave stainless steel, brasses, aluminium, that sort of stuff, no problem at all. It'll cut very thin metal. A lot of jewellers use these machines for cutting out intricate shapes, but I won't be doing much of that, I don't think. So this machine has replaced this machine, which is for sale actually at the minute. So if anyone's interested, that's on eBay. You'll be easily find it. It's a Gravigraph M20 dual, and I've got that about 3.5k at the minute. These are quite sought after machines, and they don't come up very often. The dual is the one with the rotary attachment for doing rings and cylindrical things as well. More often than not, they haven't got these built into them. So that's a very quick video just to show you my new machine. Chuffed to bits with it I am. It works very similar to the CO2 in powers and feeds and stuff, so it shouldn't take too much getting the hang of it. I've already sort of sussed a few things out. But if you do any fibre marking or fibre engraving yourself, leave a comment below or point me in the right direction of guys that are good at this sort of thing. I'll be able to get some pointers off them. So that's it for now. Hopefully I'll do some more videos later with the engraving, and I'll see you the next time. Cheers guys, ta-da!